Today, let me show you how to make Masoor Pulav. It is easy and simple to cook.
For 1 katori of Masoor Pulav premix, add 2 katoris of water. Here the ratio is 1:2. Bring the water to a rolling boil in a heavy bottom pan, vessel or pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now slowly add 1 katori of premix into the boiling water while stirring.
Stir well and cook for 2 minutes on medium to high flame until well combined. If using a pressure cooker, reduce the flame to medium. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles, about 10 minutes.
If cooking in a pan, cover the pan and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally and add a little more water if needed.
Your Masoor Pulav is ready. Serve it hot with a slice of lemon, fresh coriander or pickle. Enjoy the perfect blend of taste and health.
Visit Kleverfarms.com or KleverEats.com to explore more.